Please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, then click the bell, and then click all. Every like and subscribe helps us make more great videos for you. Okay, so this video shows you how to increase the text size in quite a few apps on the iPad or iPhone running iOS 14. Now this doesn't affect all apps, but apps that support dynamic text sizing will increase the text size. Now how do you know if an app supports dynamic text sizing? Well, it's just a matter of trying it basically. So here's what you do. You just go into settings there. Once you're in settings, find accessibility, which is just there, tap that, and then what we're looking for here is display and text size, tap that. So here we've got a few options, so we can make the text bolder. So as you can see there, as I turn that on, the text went bolder. Let's just turn it off again. There you go, goes regular and bold. You can also change, like I say, the size of the text. So if we go to larger text, okay, and turn that on, and then what we can do is we can increase the text size so that it becomes larger. Now this will affect things like, for instance, your emails. So there we go, there's your emails there, huge. So if you do need to view an email and you can't understand a size, and you can make it larger. Let's just go back into settings. I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller there, and I'm going to go back into the display and text size. So there we've got button shapes, but not really sure what that does. I can't really see any difference there. We've got on-off labels. When we turn that on, we get a 0 or a 1 in the switch boxes there. So as you can see there, 0s and 1 appear. We've got reduced transparency, so if there's like a transparent background, that reduces that, makes it easier to see. We can increase the contrast, so basically again makes it easier to see. I don't know, that's come out on the camera, but certainly does help. Differentiate without colour, so replace these user interface items that rely solely on colour to convey information with alternatives, so we can turn that on if we want to. We've got Smart Invert, so the Smart Invert reverses the colours of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark colour styles. So that's quite good, you know, if you are having trouble viewing. We've got the classic invert there, which basically reverses the colours of absolutely everything there, as you can see. Colour filters off. Colour filters can be used to differentiate between colours by users who are colourblind and aid users who have difficulty reading text on the display. So we've got different colours there we can select to turn off. So we've got grayscale, red-green filter, green-red filter, blue-yellow filter, or colour tint. So there we go, got those options there, and we can intensify on there. And then the colour tint, we've got hue as well. So there you go, a few little things. Perhaps it's a good idea to sort of play about with these to find what suits you best. We've got reduce white point, reduce the intensity of bright colours there. So there you go, that takes that down. And you've got auto brightness there, so you can turn the auto brightness on and off, which basically uses the camera on the front of the iPhone or the iPad to sort of try and work out what brightness would suit you best. So there you go, there's a few options there on how to make an iPhone or an iPad easier to see if you've got problems with your site. Hope this guide helps, and if you think this might help any of your friends, your family, or your colleagues, don't forget to share it on your social media timelines. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to find out about all my latest videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.